Here's an update from the KSHB 41 Weather Center. We are going to get to Hurricane Helene in just a second, but before that, where did this last 5 days of rain leave us? Well, officially at KCI for the year, about 4.7 inches below average. We were about 5.25 inches below average when it started. For the month, well, a little bit better. We're about 2 inches below average because we had no rain for the month, so that helped. And when did all of this really start? It started on the 5th of July. Remember, on the 1st and 4th of July, we had the big 4 to 8 inch rain events on the south side of the city, not at KCI, but they got about an inch each time. And so, yes, there are areas that are wetter than this, but this is the official numbers for Kansas City, and overall, most locations are dry. So that was great to get that rain. We needed it. But now there's not much else in the forecast. So let's go through this. Hurricane Helene. Could Helene bring some rain to us? Well, let's take a look. As of Wednesday around noon, we have Helene around Cancun. Became a Category 1, likely going to intensify rapidly and could become a 3 or a 4 when it makes landfall on the Florida Panhandle on Thursday. So here is the upper level flow. There is Helene, and if we look at this is midnight tonight, midnight on Wednesday night. There's Helene in the Gulf. There is an upper level low over the Tennessee Valley. That is the system that brought us the thunderstorms on Tuesday. Well, kind of interesting. They're going to interact with each other, and Helene is going to rotate around the upper level low. That is actually has a term for that when two lows, upper level systems rotate around each other. It's called the Fujiwara effect. Meteorologist Cassie Wilson did a segment on that. It's going to be on air tonight on KSHB 41. But basically what happens is the one upper low and the other one picks up the other and kind of rotates around. So what's going to happen is the upper level low is much bigger than Helene. Hurricanes are no more than the size of a big complex of thunderstorms we get during the spring or summer, and so it's going to get absorbed by it. So there it is Thursday evening. Helene, still a hurricane, still on the Florida coast. And watch what happens. It starts to rotate around it. It weakens. Look how big that upper low is. And then Helene vanishes. So that by the weekend, it's just a big upper low. But what it did in absorbing it, it grabbed a lot of moisture. And there was indications earlier in the week that we could get in on the west end of that rainfall. The trend, though, has been for this to be farther east. So probably not going to get much rain out of it, but we will get something from it. We'll get clouds. So let's take a look at here. Here is the powercast for midnight tonight. We are enjoying some beautiful weather. In the blue, those are the wind arrows for Helene, and here it goes. It's moving on towards the shore, and look at that. Very strong wind. You can even see the eye on the wind there as it's about to make landfall tomorrow evening on the Florida Panhandle. Very, very impressive. But watch what happens as it goes onto land. Those blue arrows disappear. But you can see the center of Helene is really northwest of Charlotte, North Carolina, and the upper low has grabbed the moisture and brought it back to the west. So the rain, though, is in southeast Missouri. We're into the clouds, and this is for during the day Friday. So a lot of clouds on Friday from Helene, but probably not much rain. I think that's going to be confined to southeast Missouri, and then it all moves off over the weekend, and the clouds break up, and it all goes away, and most of the country ends up with fairly quiet weather. And Helene, as far as rainfall, well, it's going to bring a lot of rainfall, 7 to 10 to 20 inches of rain from the Florida Panhandle all the way up to Charlotte, North Carolina. There could be some serious flooding in the western mountains of North Carolina, there down into South Carolina, and into Tennessee as well, the Smoky Mountain Range, all that area there. Could be a serious problem. It has a lot of rain for those areas. You don't normally get a setup like this. And the rain from Helene is also being enhanced because it's interacting with a storm system as well. But when we zoom into here, it's just not much. Just don't see any rain. And even St. Louis, which needs the rain too, is on the western edge. So even if it shifts west by 100 miles, we're still out of it. We're just going to get the clouds probably. But we do have some really nice weather. So as we look at the weather for tonight, it's going to be clear and calm to 50 to 55. A gorgeous day on Thursday, 75 to 80. A lot of clouds on Friday. Those are from Helene and the upper low, but we're not expecting any rain. And on the super 10-day forecast, we left a 20% chance of a shower on Friday, but I just really don't think we're going to see much. And otherwise, it's going to be dry and fairly decent. Highs in the 70s near 80. We don't see any strong cold fronts, just some beautiful fall weather. Have a great rest of your week and week ahead and weekend. Stay healthy.